children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 68 रन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक चैप्टर 10 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। इसमें हम जो एक्सरसाइज करेंगे वो है इंटरचेंज ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेटरी एंड असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस। यहाँ पर आपको एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस जो दिए हुए हैं उनको असर्शंस में चेंज करना है। What would I not give to see you happy? इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? I would give anything to see you happy. Ah, what a sight was there! There was a wonderful sight. It can be wonderful, it can be horrible, depends whatever you wish to write. What a piece of work is man. Man is a wonderful piece of work. What might be done if men were wise? Great things might be done if men were wise. What a wonderful creature an elephant is. An elephant is a very wonderful creature. How awkwardly he manages his sword. He manages his sword very awkwardly. Oh, that we two were infants playing. I wish we two were infants playing. If only I had the wings of a dove. I wish I had the wings of a dove. What a large nose! He has a very large nose. If only I had a good horse. I wish I had a good horse. If only I were safe at home. I wish I were safe at home. Oh, what a fall was there, my countrymen! There was a great fall. My countrymen! What a delicious meal! It was a very delicious meal. What sweet delight! A quiet life effort. A quiet life affords very sweet delight. How well fitted the camel is for the work he has to do. Camel is very well fitted for the work he has to do. How cold you are! You are very cold. What a beautiful scene this is! This is a very beautiful scene. What a delicious flavor these mangoes have. These mangoes have a very delicious flavor. Shame on you to use a poor cripple so. It is very shameful of you to use a poor cripple so. If only I knew more people. I wish I knew more people. Have you? How you have grown? You have grown very much. If only I had come 1 hour earlier. I wish I had come 1 hour earlier. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 68। आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आशा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।